So we're going to be doing the intake on this V6 Accord 04. Should be the same thing through 05, 06, I think. But here's the intake, the pieces, the piping, the hose. You gotta remove all the bottom stuff to the air box. So that should be fun. I'll show you guys all the stuff. Filters in here. So hopefully we get this done. So first thing first, we're gonna take this part out because it's in the way. Move it somewhere around. Take this part out. It should be a 10, I think. Not sure. Should be a 10. It is. Get a little looser. It's freaking hot because the engine was running too. Should be loose enough. Take off the hose. This thing's ripped. Probably get a screwdriver or something popped out. Or not, actually. It's coming out with ease. Yes, you can tell if this needed it. Bad. Put this back. Gosh, hope that fell on the ground. Alright. Then we're going to take off the air box. So we're going to take out the air box. Should be a 9. Try to place a camera somewhere where you can see. There's not a thing, I'm going to just hold it. It's just loose. There's another up here. I think there should be 4. One down here, one down there. Just loosen them a bit. The one down here, I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there. Let's see if I can get it from here. Take all out by hand. So when you remove the top of the air box, yeah, I don't know if you guys know. Down there, it's over here. It'll be up to the filter part, whatever. This one, you gotta take this bowl off, and it's a 10. The other one should down there should be a 9. Let me show you guys. Right here, there's a bolt that goes down there. There's a clip too. That should be a 9. but the one over here is a 10, so we'll take those out. Freaking hot in the garage. I think you guys will see me. Maybe. I'll take that one off. Then the other one. Damn, that's a battery on that. It sucks when you're working on cars and you have glasses and it's hot. And you start sweating. The sweating part isn't bad, but it's just like, for me, it's the part where like what's it called? Where like the sweat starts hitting your eyes, not even your eyes, like your glasses, and you can't see anything. It's the part that sucks about working on cars and having glasses. Let's see. Take that out. Freak rubber piece. Then we'll take out the 9 over here. I'll show you guys when to take it off. And then there's one more bolt. You guys can see it on there, right down here. And that's a 10. That should be all the bolts. And I took off the filter part, that's why. Right there, right there, right there. So once you take off that screw down there, you should be able to lift this up. You might have a hard time with this part right here, but not that hard. But you should be okay. I might have to do this one hand. I'll actually put you guys down here. Put you down here for a sec, so you guys can see. Take this part off first. And try to pull up. There we go. Not that hard. Wiggle it out of there. Okay. So once you have all this clear right here, like that, we have to go through the bottom to take this thing off. All the way to the bottom. Let's go see what we have to do. Should be fun. Alright, so we're in the bottom part, front bumper. We'll take off these things right here. Right there's 2. Let's take those off. Okay, that's clearly not big enough then. Is it? What size is that? What is that? It's not even one of those things, is it? Oh, stupid. It's one of those stupid things. I hate these things. Let's see, where's the clip? Yep, it's a clip thingy. Let me get a straight one. Alright, so we'll pop this open. It's kind of hard when you're doing it with the camera. Let me pop them open and I'll show you guys. So I had to turn the wheel and take this little, what's it called, the weather stripper thingy off. And if you guys can see, there's a bolt there. Hopefully that's the only one, because yeah, I don't know if I can. But yeah, let's see what it is. I don't know what it is either yet. Hopefully it's a 10. Yes, it is a 10. I mean, yeah, 10. Let's see if I can take it off. So you have all this stuff that's right here. I don't know how this was in here or something. Take it. Shit out. Alright, and take this one off. And you should be, hopefully, I really don't, damn it, do I really have to take that bolt out? Gosh, I might have to. Yep, of course I do. I have to take that out. You guys can see it back there. You guys probably, it's hard to see. I think I might actually have to be taking that out. At least one part of it, who knows? What even is it? Need like a flashlight. Alright, so I got this part over here. You see the ratchet? I'll try to get it. I don't have that much room either. So this one has two bolts, one here, one on their side, and three. Alright, so after you plug your hose, these things in at the bottom hose thingy. Oh, nightmare. But alright. Then I'm gonna put the intake down there and we'll put everything back. Let's see, where's the intake? It's been a nightmare. Just finding the bolts for the air box. That's probably been the worst part. But it's alright. You want to put this in, or should I? I'll put it in. All you have to do is when you get down there, you put this boot in, you turn this and it gets tight. So right now I'm doing a before. This is what it looks before. Okay, then now. So here's the new intake. You can see it down there, everything's back together. It took me forever actually. You gotta take off the guarding, the thing. I probably should have took off the fender and the freaking bumper. At least the bumper, but oh, nightmare. But yeah, that's how it looks. So alright guys, this is the end of the video. Intake sounds pretty good. I was gonna record that, but I didn't. Didn't get time to, I guess. But some pointers for that air box in the bottom part. It's like to take it off for the thing to come down. It's like 3 bolts. It took me a while because I just took out 2. There's one by like the wheel, so you gotta turn the wheel and take off the weather guard thingy, and you see the bolt right there. Then there's this other one that's like you gotta like stick your finger real deep inside of the bumper, and yeah, That's the way I did it. It's kind of shitty. Hands started cramping up, and I guess you can take off your bumper if you really want to. But then the other one is by the front, like by your grill part down there. If you take off those hoses and things, whatever they're called, I don't know what they're called. Take those off, you'll see it. There's two bolts you can take off. Either one will release it. But once you take those off, you're mint. You should be good to drop the big old box, and you can pull apart the hose, but you need like a big old freaking screwdriver, flathead, from the bottom part. You guys know what I'm talking about if you see it down there. And don't forget to plug in your map sensor. I think that's what it's called. It's the sensor that connects to your intake, or that's in the way, I should say. It doesn't connect to your intake, but it's in the way. I forgot to connect it, and I started the car up and it sounded like shit. So yeah, thing, connect it before you start, or else you're gonna get a check engine light. So once I connected it, I got a check engine light, and I drove it a while with the check engine light, and eventually it went away. Like in 30 minutes of driving the car, it went away by itself. So it was pretty cool. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was kind of step by step. Not really, it was kind of lower. Then my battery died, so. But I hope it helps you install intakes on the V6 model. Thanks for watching, guys, and like, subscribe, comment, and yeah.